Hello everybody, I got another scooter. This is a M1 Max. I'm not sure about the company name, but that's what they put, M1 Max. Another scooter I got from Temu. This is my third one and most likely my last scooter to buy. Getting too expensive. Anyway, this one was where price was $213. This is the most expensive one I bought, scooter wise, and it just say it has 19 miles per hour and 20-mile range, 500 watts max, 10-inch solid tire, foldable e-scooter. All right. So the model is M1 Max, as you can see in the box. Let's go unbox it. We got the charger. Here's the charger. Battery charger. It doesn't say, just the model is HLT 180 to 420, 5,000, 1,500. I think I'm reading that right. Alright, so up next, we got Allen wrenches. The bolts, the screws, and a wrench. So it has a manual also, and this is much taller because it's a 10-inch. So let me find the stand. Comes with a manual that nobody reads. Looks nice. Much taller, like I said. There's a suspension here, and then there's suspension here in the back. Okay. It's similar design to my the other two. There's some parking, except for this one you have to connect these two together first. Should only go one way. Can line them up correctly. There you go. Now just attach. Push this in. Should go this way. Okay. What is this for? Look like you have something you can put on here. So throttle here, bell, brakes. That's it. Some of them have signal lights, by the way. This one doesn't. Line up the holes. Then there's 2 holes here and 2 on the other side, okay? Come on, man. It won't go in unless you line them up correctly. I lost one of the screws there somewhere on the floor. It doesn't come with any extra screws, so don't lose it. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way yet. Now I'm going to tighten all the way. All 4 screws are here now. So the screw doesn't go all the way in. The head sticks out, so it's not flush. See, it's not flush, it's sticking up. All 4 are sticking up, not flush. Alright, so let's power this on. Oops. Okay. Echo, the speed of the echo is 0 to 10 miles per hour. And D, which is drive mode, the maximum speed is 15 miles per hour. And sports mode is the top speed, which is 19 miles per hour. Why is that? If you press quickly, the light's supposed to turn on. You're not doing it. What's going on? Need my light, man. Control the lights. I figured out what's happening. The brakes, when you hit the brake right here, the back of it lights up. When you hit the brakes, you get the, pretty cool. I don't know how. Trying to figure out how to do the lights on. For some reason, it's not doing it. It's the power. Alright, so I figured out the light situation. It's on right now. Lights are on. You double click fast. Turn it on. You turn on. Turn on, but the issue I have, it doesn't light up. The thing I don't like is there's no light in the back. This is just a reflector, I think. I don't see any wires sticking out. This one lights up only if you hit the brake. But that's it, no light back there. The charging port is right here. Might be too dark because I'm shooting against the sun. Alright, so there is an LED on the brake, so when that turns green or turn off, I think, I don't know, and it should be fully charged. Alright, so it's green there now. Let's see how many bars now. Oh, it doesn't start when it's plugged in. So and plug, which is good. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. So it took about a couple of hours to get it fully charged. Alright, time to test it. Oh yeah, by the way, this thing is attached to that thing there, so I can lift it up by the handlebar or the stem. My other ones, that part, this one here is in this side, but this one is here, which is good, so you can use this for like carrying a bag. You can just hang it here, so it's much more useful to have this hook over here than have it down there. All right. As you can see in the video, it struggles on the climb depending on the slope. Some slope, if it's not this type of slope, it just go by, it just go up, no problem. But some slope are higher. I'm uploading a video on this trail where there's 9 climbing, 9 inclines. So if you want to see that, I'm gonna upload it after this one, maybe like a couple of days from now. I'm gonna upload it, and if you want to watch it, go ahead. And yeah, and for my thoughts on this one, it's actually a good price for a 10-inch 500-watt scooter. This was 213 and 47 cents from Temu. Got delivered via FedEx, no charge, no tariff either. Anyway, the tires is 10-inch and has really good suspension. I don't feel any vibration on my brain. The one without the there's some parts on this trail that's not so good for riding, but it rides really good because and the bigger the tire too, it helps. And the only problem is, I mean, I'm heavy, and I mean, like I said, when it climbs up, it drains the battery. I had it fully charged, and let's just say I had to walk back to my car. And you can see that on the other video that I'm gonna upload soon. And so yeah, I recommend this one. Yeah, for like if you wanna use it for just like riding around a flat surface, it's really good. We rode it before with my kids. We rode it around the park flat area, and it held really well. It lasted over an hour actually. We did about 6 miles too, and it had no problem riding around with it. So on flat, it's really good. Anything that requires a lot of climbing, then it might have an issue. This one has 9, so that's why I had an issue. I'm not sure, but I think this thing has a safety thing where when it's overheating, it slows down the motor. Because I was riding this one on this trail, you're gonna see that on the other video. It slowed down quite a bit, and I couldn't get it past 8 miles per hour. So I'm riding like 19 after the fifth one, I think, or the fifth climb, and I was riding and starting to slow down. So I'm pretty sure it was overheating, and I was able to I just gave it some rest, and it was able to go back to the parking lot. But yeah, I think it has a safety function where if it's overheating, it slows down the motor, which is good. As for everything else, yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. Just don't drive it. Just don't ride it when there's a lot of climbing, because I don't think it's designed for that one. That's why it's pretty cheap. It's like $200, $213.47. So and you get what you paid for, And for the price, this is a good scooter. It's the wheel's nice, it's solid, and it runs really well. And I have it for 3 months already, and I've been riding it around. Total hours so far is probably like 5 hours total, to be honest. Because I have two other scooters that I ride around with. So, and when my kids are here, then we ride all together. So that's it. So it's a good scooter for the price, right? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you want. All right, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.